Are you ready?
Yes, got it.
Hold on, here, go.
Boy, what an audience.
I know, right?
First.
Are you gonna start crying? Have a little tear? You got a tear for me?
I gotta get into this. Make sure you just touch that. Can you read yet? Can you still read? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're gonna cry if I get.
Trey, you want me to get something to unfog your glasses? There comes the hiccup.
Have to wipe your head.
Need a trash can just in case those
So Trey, how does it feel?
Actually, so far. It's not as bad as I.
Well, keep in mind these are dry needles too.
They're supposed to be about as bad as the fresh ones.
Do you need a little sip of milk, Trey?
Wait a minute.
All right, come on. You're next.
Trying to do it, Kevin. Somebody go get the fire extinguisher. Well, that's part of it.
It's like the part closest to the sea.
Yeah, that's what I'm laughing. Yeah,
All right.
I get hiccups.
Take a bite.
Don't get big bite. What the?
Yeah, you don't have to eat the whole thing.
Don't eat the whole thing. Come on, eat the whole thing.
And don't rub your eyes because you touched it.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
Wash your hands with soap and water.
Before you touch anything.
Yeah.
Just in case.
You guys got it?
Actually, it's about fun.
You're kidding, really? Kevin, you okay?
I want Mitch to do it.
Still it's there. We're going to have to find the fresh one.
You can barely breathe.
I got some season on
Oh, no.
my teeth.
Oh.
Oh, boy, you're going to be tasting that all night.
Well, feel like it.
That's
only good for Bill to take another bite.
You got money for dental bills? You got money for dental bills?
No. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Trey, I swear to God, are you going to eat another bite of that?
Puree and Trey.
Oh, no. You are nuts.
I think it's
You're not sleeping in our room tonight. I can just tell you that right now.
Trying to shame and
Dude, you got one hot.
Yeah. Yeah, he's going to be crying at like 3 o'clock in the morning sitting on the toilet.
Actually, the seeds have a little bit more bite than I told you that.
You okay, Kevin?
Yeah, those seeds have a bit more bite. Okay, well,
Come on. Where's the tears? Where's the screaming? Come on.
Hey,
They said it wasn't too bad.
actually, it's not near as bad as I was expecting.
Oh, jeez.
You really are. Well, there's some little stuff.
Kevin,
Has the milk really done something? Oh, man.
you're the weakest
Milk is
link.
the worst. Don't drink the milk.
Oh, no.
The trash can tray.
What?
Give him the trash can.
You good? Hey, Kevin, I've never wanted to say I told you so, but...
Hey, yeah, if the milk makes it worse, Trey, I'll take a little sip of milk. See?
It makes it worse, trust me.
See if you can handle that.
I think you should say.
Over here.
Oh, it's with you, Kevin.
Wash your hands really, really good.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You okay?
Want some more? You do it, I'll do it.
Oh, my God.